Hi everyone, my name is Mark Hooper and I am a student in the Film Bachelor's Completer course here at Full Sail University. In addition to that, I am also a faculty member. I teach in a course called Intro to Editing and Visual Effects. Now, as you might assume, my job is full of public speaking. And I feel like I have gotten a handle on it over time. However, when I was a child, it was a very anxious time for me. When I was in elementary school and high school and I had to give an oral report or speak in front of the class, it was very difficult. I would find myself shaking, swallowing a lot, not able to put sentences together properly. And so I wasn't always a decent public speaker. Now, over the course of time, I have discovered some things that help me to speak in a public setting a lot more effectively. I'm going to share 3 of those points with you. The first thing is you really have to know what it is that you are trying to say to your audience. That's key number 1. When you have your ideas clear on what you're saying, when you get up in front of a crowd of people and the anxiety starts to come on, then you will be able to more clearly express yourself with that added distraction of an audience. Another thing that I always do is I dress confidently. If I want to exude confidence, I will wear something that makes me feel good about myself. Now, this I got from acting. I did a little bit of acting in high school, and whenever I had to play a character, as soon as I put on the costume and the makeup, it was easier to get into character, and it's the same for public speaking for me. So if I dress in something that makes me feel good about myself, I tend to exude more confidence. And the third and most important thing to me, especially as a teacher, is to make eye contact with individual audience members. Now, what this does for you as a public speaker, in my opinion, is when you make eye contact and say a few sentences while looking at someone directly in the eyes who's in the audience, you will get distracted from the fact that there's other people around, and it will be like carrying on an individual conversation. Now, of course, you want to move on from member to member of the audience so that you don't make that one person feel singled out. But those are some tips that I found that help me to get over my fears of public speaking. Thanks a lot. I'll see you around.